What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're taking out the Super73 RX and the Ariel Rider xclass 52 volts that my dad is riding behind us. We're doing a holiday ride here around Hastings Ranch and Altadena area. And once it's darker, we'll see what kind of preparations the neighborhood made. Hopefully it's going to be a sight to see. You doing okay?
Good.
Okay. Try to be a little bit closer. You see how some cars were making a right over there? You have to be close to me. When you're starting from a zero, it's just good to just slowly press the button. You don't need to try to pedal, because pedal is what gets you off balance. First stop, we're going to Altadena. Let's check it out. It's a nice area to bike here. I am keeping track of my dad. It's his first time e-biking, or I mean, he's been electric mountain biking, but it's his first time on the Ariel Rider. We kind of had a little bit of an introduction testing earlier, but he seems to he doesn't like going over 20 miles per hour, it looks like. So it's going to be a leisure ride, trying to show my dad the sights. The sights and what have you. I haven't been here either, so we're using our map, and we're using a bike path, mainly, for today. It's definitely nice to bike in the neighborhood that is calm and bike friendly for the most part. It is Christmas Eve today, so happy holidays belated by the time you see this video. And this is something I do on a yearly basis. I like to see e-bike and try to explore the sites and different neighborhoods and try to see the decorations, basically. We're making our way to Altadena area. Today's ride should be a total of about 18 miles. Going up till there's going to be a stop. Keep going up. Yeah, keep going. There's a car behind us, so try to go faster. We're here on Cheney Trail, Altadena area. Taking my dad up to the mountains to get maybe a sunset view or what have you. But it looks like he's kind of getting used to it now. Punch it, Dad, punch it. You see how we're slow now? Going up the hill. So we have these street pavement bikes because I gotta recycle them. I gotta use them, you know? I've been electric mountain biking way too much that these bikes don't get enough attention. You ready to electric mountain bike? Keep going.
Go to the top?
Yeah, no. I'm just gonna show you the view.
Okay.
These bikes are not made for the off-road much. You okay? All right, keep pressing the button because we're going uphill. Our bikes are struggling. Dad, let's pause here. Whew. It's a nice picture. Still climbing Cheney Trail here. I'm actually looking for like a lower something trail. It's kind of an off-roading trail. I forgot what it's called. Lower Ridge Trail, I think. But my dad's still taking a break. He's not too comfortable being on a hill. He got traumatized from electric mountain biking a little bit. So I'm just kind of exploring here on my own. Just for about 5 to 10 minutes. Climbing on up this mountain. I don't see anything this way. Yep, there's no trails here, so I'm pretty sure it's on the other side. Ah, look at that sunset. Maybe this way? That's not really a trail. I wonder what's this way. Let's try. Come on, RX. This is not a trail, but it's just a nice scenic view. Appreciation Station. Ah, there's so much more views up there.
Did you find it?
I didn't find the trail that I was looking for, but there's a lot of lookouts over there.
There's a train going.
And then I'm going to turn your headlights on, okay? Alright, and just follow me, okay? So it's only 2 miles. Let's hope that they turn on the lights early, okay? Alright, let's roll. Let's check out this Altadena Christmas tree lane that people speak and talk about. Yeah, my dad's really driving like a senior. He is a senior, but he's definitely driving like one too, going downhill. Comment below if you've seen Christmas Tree Lane on Altadena already, and comment below if you like it more than the Upper Hastings Ranch, which we're both going to hit up tonight. He's still a mile away. It's not even 6 p.m. yet. But you never know. Sometimes they'll turn the lights on early. Well, we're here. Don't really see lights yet. So it says the lights will turn on at 5:30. It's only 5:06.
A few moments later.
Let there be light. Okay, so I guess the lights are on the trees. That means the city is doing this,
Yes.
not the residentials. Yeah.
They just.
All right. Well, cars are here. We should go with the flow. You ready? So the other one is like 4 miles away. Press and hold. Okay, good. And just have fun. Just watch the scenery. Here it is. Just going downhill here. Just chilling. Some folks walking. And us folks biking. E-biking. So it looks like it is just a 1-lane street. It's not like the others where there's like there's an actual Santa's route. Yep, so if you're ever looking for it in Altadena, it's in Santa Rose Avenue. Just go up and down it. So that's very nice of Altadena to do this. I thought we were going to be just relying on the residential, the folks that live here to work these lights, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the city's doing. It's all uniform, and it's all on city trees. Happy 100, see? 100 years. Yeah, it looks like it's just one street. I think it's ending. Neat. Very neat. This car lit up, put Christmas lights on their car. Trains open house. Free miniature trains open house. That's cool. All right. That's about it. We're going to head to Upper Hastings Ranch time. All right. We're here in Sierra Madre. And we're pretty much here. Upper Hastings Ranch. Tree lights. And yeah, let's go. Let's make a left. So this one is not just one street. It's a lot of like lanes.
Yeah.
This is our last stop, and then we're gonna go back to the parking lot, okay? Here, you want to be beside me. You want to ride beside, like when we're on the street. It's better that way. Nightly, 6 to 10. All right. UHRA, so the Upper Hastings Ranch something association. I'm not entirely sure. Photo stop, but everyone is on their own in terms of decorating. From what I know, at least. Comment below if you know something else. Dad, I'm gonna let you lead. Go wherever you want, wherever there's lights. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, please lead. I'm recording. Go explore. Going uphill. Da 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 da. There's something clicking on my Ariel Rider, on my dad's bike. I gotta check that out. Here, there's a bunch of Disney characters. It looks like, well, actually, I don't know if this is a Disney character, that chicken. Maybe it is. I'm not too Disney versed. I'm not well versed in Disney. There's lots of paintings. It'd be nicer if they had music, huh? Yeah, I remember last time I went here, I was underprepared. I didn't have gloves, or I was super cold. But today, this Christmas Eve, it's not too bad. I like the city lights more over there. Okay. Sure. Go home? Okay. Did you have fun? One second, I'm gonna get my phone. Okay, so we're only 1.4 miles away. Which did you like more?
This one, the residences.
You like this one more?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the other one more.
The other one is only in the street.
But at least it's like all over in the top. But that's okay. All right, looks like we had difference of opinion. I like the, bunch lights all together. This one is more spread out, but at least it's not as uniformed, I guess. It's more sporadic. I'm sure other Decembers have better turnouts, but this is what it is on 2022. Christmas Eve. Well, thank you for tuning in on today's holiday ride with my dad. He's visiting from Philippines. He'll be here for a couple of months. That's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on Super73 Ariel Rider or a DIY bafang kit. Happy holidays belated again. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.